Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Gauhar Khan, your host for this evening, and I welcome all of you to the 5th Durian Society Interiors Design Awards. Society Interiors, the interior design magazine from the Magna Group, is among the few recognized names in the interior design publications today. In its nearly 11-year journey, the magazine has grown with the times and evolved in its style, gaining the respect and confidence of the architectural and interior design fraternity in India and abroad. A showcase of the best in interior design and architecture from all genres, residential, commercial, and public spaces, and from all over the world. The magazine has always endeavored to be a trendsetter in whatever it does, not only through its pages, but through other avenues as well. And one of the most important avenues that Society Interiors decided to explore 5 years ago was this competition for the students of design. And their partner was a company that too believes in the creative power of the young, Durian Imported Furniture. Durian is a name that has been associated with quality, style, and beauty. It is the largest lifestyle brand in the imported furniture segment in India, with over 35 exclusive showrooms. The brand offers exceptional designs and styles in living, dining, and bedroom furniture, office furniture, and lifestyle products. If you remember, last year, the competition invited interior design colleges from all over the country. This year, the 5th for Durian Society Interior Design Awards, we have taken another leap forward to encompass the talented students from even the architectural colleges, though the entry was limited only to the third-year students in this case, to provide a platform to bring forth some of these interesting, fresh, young minds. Society Interiors invited entries from young ideas in residential, commercial, and public space categories. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, let's set the mood for the evening with a couple who set your TV screens on fire. With Nach Baliye 2, my favorite couple, the very hot Tanaz Lal and Bakhtiyar Irani. Give it up for them, people.